Greetings, everybody. Hope you are well. I am out on a beautiful, warm, sunny morning for a ride on my mountain bike. So I'm going to go down this trail that I went down a little ways before, but didn't have the right bike. So now I'm here with a better machine, and it goes into the Porcupine Lake Wilderness Area. It's kind of the back route because there's another route in that has a nice gravel road and it goes to the actual lake. This just kind of goes into the wilderness area. And last time I was here, the trail was pretty blocked. A lot of trees had fallen, so not many people had been here. So I'm going to go down today and see what kind of condition it is in, maybe do some cleanup, and go a little bit further. Let's see, there's supposedly some water at the end. Like maybe a little, I don't want to call it a lake, but it looks like on the Google Maps that there's some sort of water. So we'll go down as far as I am willing to today, and we'll see what we can find. So let's go. Should be a good time. It's quiet out here. So here we can do our first cleanup. So take a break here. If I get enough momentum, I should be able to go over the log. Yeah. Another one. Same. Yep. Right here again. Maybe. There we go, getting cleaner all the time. Okay, and carry on. Should be able to turn off here soon. Here we are, I think. No. I think. Here. Oh, it's really grown up since I was here last. So I don't know I'm coming. Just gotta share the road here. Okay? There you go. Oh. Yeah. So the last time I was out here, I had this brilliant idea of taking the hydro line all the way and back out to the highway, but it got really, really thick. And that was about, geez, thinking 3 weeks ago, maybe. So things have really grown in since, so everything is really thick. So I'm just going to carry on down this road into the wilderness area and see how far I can get. It's pretty thick. Just keep ringing my bell. And I got doggy snacks with me for when I'm out with the dog. So I figured worst case scenario, throw my doggy snacks out and run. Oh, it's really pretty in here though. Should get up and over here. Oh. Okay. I think this is about as far as I went last. Over the log. Down, go through here. I'll try and break some of this off. Come on. You don't need to be hanging over the trail here. There we go. Okay. Going through. Going through. Watch out. Okay. And rough. Can't remember if this is where I saw the bear pit or not. Ooh, here's a good one to try. Do I try it? Let's do this. Up, up. Better at that. Out, out. Coming through, coming through. Here I come, here I come. Here I come, here I come. As good as a bear bell, right? It is my bear bell. What? Neat. Huh? Quiet. So you can see the road was used a while ago, but just not for a while. So I'm just gonna get off to go through here so I don't get all scratched up. Oh, look at all the ferns. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's check our map. Oh, I see an opening up there. Let's check our map and see where we are. Okay. Well, so I haven't gone that far, but I am technically in the wilderness area now. So, it's called Porcupine Lake Wilderness Area. I don't know if there's any porcupines though. You would think at one point there would have been. Okay. What do we got up here? You're just in the way. So we're just going to do this. And I'm going to put you over here, okay? There you go. There we are. Getting it all tidied up. Okay, so I see some light up ahead, which usually means there's a clearing. Carry on. Here it comes. There's a bit of a mess here. Carefully. Oh, we got a bit of some mud. Don't see any fresh tracks in here. Oh, I see some deer tracks. Just some deer tracks. They look fairly recent. This is not really an opening up here. Just kind of gets denser and denser. Get around here. Whoa! Stop for killing a bug. Oh, Robin branches. Hello, Robin. You're the first I've seen on this trail. It's getting pretty thick in here, and the bugs are also getting plentiful. Further. Cross over here. Branches, branches. Ow! Jeepers. Tree was rumpy. What the heck was that? Okay. Ooh, swampy. Yeah, let's check the map again. I don't think we're getting anywhere fast. Oh, we're a little bit farther. We're about halfway to the end. Well, a little bit over halfway. So, looks pretty thick up there. Do I keep going? Oh, you're all covered in spider webs. Me too. Oh, so, do I keep going? It looks pretty spooky down there. The bears this time of year should be pretty friendly, right? Unless they have babies, and then, you know. And the deer, well, the deer around here are pretty skittish, so I'm not too worried about them. It's not like the deer in BC that'll like beat you up. So, sitting here just invites more bugs. We'll carry on. Right. Just a little bit further down this road. A little bit further. So I'm not really getting my exercise here. Rolling along. I'm having fun. Coming through. These little evergreens all growing in the middle of the road. Sort of signifies that not a lot of motorized vehicles have been down here in a while. Oh, big dragonfly. Okay. Little coyote poo. Pretty old. I swear the dragonfly's like going along with you. Hey, woohoo! Okay, so it's opening up a bit more in here. Oh, what do we got here? I think this might be where it ends. Yeah, I think it's like they had intentions, or maybe they used this when they were logging. But this is, I think, is where the road ends. Oh. Yeah. Let's go over here for a second. Over here. See the deer hanging out in here. Oh, there's some water. Okay, yay, we found some water. Let's go have a look. You can find a water feature. It's always a good time. Not thinking it's a big water feature here. It's kind of a little swampy. But, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. What the heck was that? Do you hear that? I can only think it's frogs. Sure as heck never heard dragonflies make that sound. Okay, so we found a water feature. And in that water feature there's obviously some creatures. I would think maybe it was a duck if I didn't know better. It's gotta be like toads or something. I don't see any birds. I don't know. It's the coolest sound. The bugs have now found that there is a large mammal in the premise. Therefore, that is my cue to leave. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, there's an ovenbird. I learned about the ovenbird this year. Actually, stop, pause. A nature moment, pause. I just heard the ovenbird. I learned about, that's the ovenbird. I just learned about them this year. They're really cool. They're called the ovenbird because their nests are on the ground and they look like an old style oven. And then I actually came across one in our yard. I keep hearing things. Came across one of their nests in our yard, so I'm just gonna leave it be, but one of the good reasons to kind of watch where you're stepping in the spring. The ovenbird, really cool. Yeah, so there's our nature break. The bugs have followed me. Dragonflies, dragonflies. Come give me your hand. Eat all the bugs that you can. Alright. As soon as you start rolling though, bugs are gone. It's like tree obstacle course. It's the best for handling, I tell you. Look at dragonfly. Okay. Having too much fun now. So, that was our adventure into Porcupine Lake Wilderness Area. And unless something crazy happens on my way out, I think that, you know, was a pretty good adventure. Yeah. Always fun going down new roads, isn't it? Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?